Hello everyone, welcome back to Mary Moffat Skill. I volunteer as a science teacher at Mary Moffat Skills. Today we are here to do a simple experiment. What makes ice melt fastest? Okay. Ice forms when water freezes. Pure distilled water has melting or freezing point of 0 degrees centigrade or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, water molecules in an ice cube will melt and then freeze again at constant rate, which keeps the ice cube in a stable solid state. For example, on a hot summer day, have you ever noticed ice cubes in a glass of water or a juice melt into a liquid extra fast? Do you know why? This is because that heat from the sun causes water in ice to turn from solid to liquid. Salt mixed with water in example of chemical solution. In a solution there is a solute. Salt is the solute. Salt is solute that gets dissolved in a solvent. Solvent is water. When other substances are mixed with the water. Let us start the experiment. For experiment, I told you we need ice cubes. We need 5 ice cubes. First we are using one is controlled one, and remaining 4 are salt, sugar, hot water and cold water. So one bowl we are going to use controlled one. Let us keep the ice cubes in the bowl. And here one ice cube, this is controlled one, we are going to keep aside. Now what we have to do now, we are going to sprinkle salt on first bowl. Sprinkle salt on first ice cube. And sugar on second ice cube. Sugar on second ice cube. And third one cold water. And fourth one carefully you have to handle. You need adult supervision. We are going to keep hot water on fourth ice cube. Can you observe all the ice cubes over here? Which one is melting? First one we can see here. See over here where we pour the hot water. Thus that ice cube was melt fast. You can see over here. This is cold water one, and this is sugar one, and this is salt one. See here, hot water one almost ice cube was vanished. Little only it was there. Okay, and cold water one is it's look like this, and sugar one is like this. And here you can observe salt one is also almost 3/4 it was melt. Okay, let us see here. Hot water one is almost like not only 1/4, almost just we can see one piece of ice cube over here. Do you know what is the science behind this one? Why hot water ice cube was melt fast? Do you know that? Let me explain first. Here this is the controlled one. This is the controlled one. The controlled did melt slower than any of the others. Hot water melted in the ice fastest. As we saw, in hot water ice cube was melt faster. Ice cube in the hot water melts faster now due to the greater temperature difference between two mediums. One is extremely cold, one is extremely hot. That's why it was melt fast. Diffusion starts taking place from cold ice cube to hot water. But others but there is a less temperature difference between ice cube and cold water. There is no kinetic energy. What is happening with the salt water and sugar? Do you know? Ice cube, see here, salt water was almost like half it was melted, and this was 3/4 was melted. Comparatively, salt one is melted fast. Let me explain why it was happened like that. Ice cube with the salt sprinkled on it melted faster than any of the other cubes. This is because amount by which the freezing point is lower depends on the number of the molecules dissolved, but not chemical nature. I hope children you all like this experiment. Thank you everyone. See you again. Bye.